All right, hi everybody. So this question is telling us to find the inverse of this function. Now this is an interesting one here because we've got y equals x squared plus 1, but where x is greater than or equal to 0, meaning we are restricting the domain. Now that's going to have a distinct impact on the range of the inverse. Okay, let's just think about what that looks like. You can just draw a little graph up here. So x squared plus 1 is going to be a parabola that opens up from 1, but only where x is greater than or equal to 0. It's going to look like this. So my domain is going to be greater than or equal to 0. My range is going to be y is greater than or equal to 1. Okay, now let's find the inverse. So that will become x is equal to y squared plus 1. Okay, I'm going to bring the 1 over, so x minus 1 is equal to y squared. Then I'm going to take the square root, but when I take the square root, I got to do plus or minus x minus 1 is equal to y. Now, when we sketch this, what this looks like is a positive radical function and a negative radical function horizontally translated 1 unit to the right. So it's going to go here, and that's going to go up and down. Well, I want this to have, what is it, a domain of x is greater than or equal to 1. Well, that's going to be true automatically because that's true for both parts here. But I need this to have a range of y greater than or equal to 0, which is just the positive part here. So therefore, we would write y is equal to the positive square root of x minus 1. Because I really need these ideas to link nicely together.